Hello, my name is David Onkwa. I'm a YouTuber from Nigeria. If you take a look at the map of our country, you will find this similar white shape in the map. This represents River Niger and River Benue. And the meeting point, which is a confluence, is located in a city in Nigeria called Lokoja in Kogi State. Except using Google Earth, I have never seen a video really showing this confluence, which in my opinion is supposed to be one of the major tourist attractions for the state. So my mission today is to show you guys this confluence and take a drone shot of it so you guys can get to see how it really looks like. While we're at it, if you're not part of this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and turn up your notification bell so you get to see my content once they are up. To get to the confluence, we took a trip to a community in Lokoja called Niger. So it's called Niger Beach or Niger what? Niger Village. So from here now, without even entering boat, can we see where the confluence meets? No, you can't see it. Okay, so you have to enter boat.
Even though you are at that confluence beach hotel, where I show you you just point down saying.
Say, that's it. But will you see it?
No,
you still not see it.
You only see river.
You will not see the two rivers
at all.
So now, like, so this one if you carry like how many? If you carry like 5 cars. Or?
No, you have to carry 5.
2 cars.
You go carry 3.
So there's another village over there or something.
There are villages across.
There's villages.
See one there.
This is where the boat will be dropping.
See one there.
Oh. But all these people that are in this boat, like they are going across or something.
They are waiting for fun.
Is the guy coming?
He's coming.
Why is it?
So we are currently at Niger waterside, and our mission today is to try to get to the confluence point in Kogi, Lokoja. So this is where the two rivers actually meet, where River Niger and River Benue meet, which is called confluence. So we're going to like take a ferry or take a boat, and then we'll try to see if we can get to that point and show you guys, because that is the mission today. I'm sure all over the internet, I'm not sure I can really see a drone shot of the confluence point. So today we are going to do that, show you guys a drone shot of the confluence point. So that's the mission today. Okay. So what do you want to do, eh? Now the guy won't carry us, guy. They come for move in negotiation now. What do you want to do, eh? We won't go reach there. When we reach there, we will stay for the boat, eh? We won't video the place. Then we'll go come back. But we don't want to do it when night don't come back, because if night now we'll not go fit see where.
They will carry you go now.
Okay. Oh yeah, now what's in the settlement?
The
Settlement are like how much or anything? How much will they talk now?
8,000 naira. Something they come from outside now.
Will they try to promote and not to want to do? One do YouTube video, one just promote and.
Yeah, if not see.
Who want YouTube video?
See this environment, very sweet. But our government they look
Who want to do YouTube video promote the place? But from here to enter ferry to that place, 8,000 naira. Too much.
How much will help us, please?
Hey!
Some people they carry because of that conflict. 2 persons will come with the girlfriend. This boat will carry out. Will pay 15,000, 20,000.
8K.
So,
how much will
Jesus.
I just say we know the hair. Don't do anything. So how much you want to pay?
Silas, come now. You they busy. They do. They do yourself. It's better take a shot. When you come when they go carry, when negotiate to carry us call. They talk. He said from here to that place at 8,000. Jesus.
Call us price where we go fit go come back. We just want to.
We just want to go do YouTube video come back.
YouTube video come back. You don't say that place now. If you see where you there and you go see who will buy there.
But they are the price of that. Calm down.
I'm gonna pay 7,000.
7,000. Break them into two, okay? 7,000 there. Jesus. I'm on YouTube, baby. If not, then in that case, for come early now. Because I'm even wondering, like, time don't go.
Time don't go.
It's almost 6 o'clock. We'll be able to achieve what we want to achieve. Where is that place? Can people go there?
That's where our water board inside the Lokoja.
Okay.
This is where the water board is, serving Lokoja. But are people allowed to go there? So we're on the flying boat. I'm here. I'm with my guy, Mr. Silas. All right, let's check this out, guys. Man, this place is really wonderful. Here over there is Niger. Okay. This right hand side is Benue. Okay. So where we are is the junction now. But the colors are supposed to be, the water color is supposed to be different.
Different. Why it's not even what is far.
Okay.
When you watch the water, far, you will see the
that's how you see the different color.
Benue is a little bit dark.
You can watch the Niger, it's very light. But this one is very dark. Why we not go because of this island there? Because our boat can't get down.
Okay, our boat cannot get there.
You can see somewhere they put mark here.
Okay.
You can see sign here.
Okay, showing that the confluence point. Yeah, I know about the beach. It's the point we want to see. So, you say that your boat cannot get to the island? Oh, here it's not deep. It's only canoe that can go there. So how do people go there? Oh, this is not deep. Okay, I see.
Before the island, even they stay here now, but now before island, we used to stay here. The guy that big ship come.
Okay.
Sometimes they do party on top of the island.
Minister, they come there, but now the island don't wash it.
Wow. So if you want to go to that island, that means you have to use canoe. There's a channel. It was a little bit difficult to see very distinctly the two rivers clearly, except for the fact that at the other end you notice that River Benue is mint green, while on the other end River Niger is milky in color. But to really find and see where the two rivers actually meet was a bit difficult, in spite of all the explanation that my guide was trying to give. So I decided to take the drone up to see if we can really get a better view of it with the drone. After flying the drone for about 30 to 45 minutes, I could not really find this point. Even though my guide have said that the reason is because rain fell the previous night, and so it was a little bit difficult to get a distinct view of the both rivers. As an afterthought, I actually realized that it would have been easier for me to find this point if I had just used Google GPS coordinates and fly my drone to that point. However, it was already getting late and I could not actually try out these techniques. So instead of just missing out everything, I decided to capture the side of the river and also to capture the amazing sunsets that I have ever experienced in a long time. Even though I could not find the Confluence as I wanted, I also had an amazing experience gazing at the sunset from the boat. I can't really explain it, but this has been one of my best nature experiences I've had in a long time. I will definitely try to come back and capture this place using Google GPS coordinates, so look out for the video. If you're in Lokoja and you're not aquaphobic, I will encourage you to try out a local boat ride and experience the amazing sight of this river, especially in the evening when the sun is about to set. Alright guys, let me leave you guys to enjoy the amazing scenery of the river, and definitely watch out to be coming back to capture this Confluence, because that is a promise that I have to keep.